Hello all, this is ORCAD Capture. There is a library demo temp reference, and in this temp reference library there are few symbols, schematic symbols, as you can see. Now I want to copy these all symbols into new library. So already I have created a new library named demo. So how we can copy these all symbols into our new library? Just control copy all the symbols. You can use shift button to copy all the symbols at one time. Right click, there is option copy. Select the library you want to copy. Right click and there is paste option. Just paste it. All the symbols have been copied into your new library. Just save it. If you want to create a new library and you want to copy paste these symbols into your new library, just go for file, new and library. Here the new library has been created. Save as test library. Now again you can do just you with the help of shift button you can copy all the symbols, and if you want to copy limited symbols one or two, just use control button, copy, select the new library you want to copy, right click and paste option. Again you can just save. Now your symbols are copied from one library to another library.